Oh, okay.
Ulit ka pa po.
Ayan, may latte yan dyan.
And it says, Happy Father's Day. Hope this year's celebration becomes one of your memorable ones yet. Wishing you a wonderful day to celebrate with Miss B. And wow. Okay. Enjoy. We want you from Fam Squad and Happy Cat of Paris.
Ano naman?
Dahil nasa KKK family, nakatipid na ako ng regalo sa kanya.
Di ba?